Hi, welcome to PLP's distribution tips and tricks. Today we are going to be discussing lay direction, what it is and why it matters. When we talk about lay direction, what we're referring to is the direction in which the conductor or the tie is formed. So when we look at different conductors, you can have either right-hand lay or left-hand lay. When we look here at this conductor, we see that it falls to the right. It's going clockwise. Now, when we look at the tie that we're going to apply, it also falls off to the right. This is important as when you install this tie onto the conductor, you need to assure that you're matching the lay of that conductor to reach the performance that you expect out of your tie. Thank you for joining us today, and be on the lookout for future videos through PLP's distribution tips and tricks.